Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Counter-Strike 1.6 server. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, creating a Counter-Strike 1.6 server involves either running a local listen server through the game or in-game server, okay, which is easier if you just want to play with friends. Now, the other option is by setting up a dedicated server using Steam CMD or HLDS, okay? And that one requires forwarding UDP port 27015 on your router, okay? But if you want me to create that specific video, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. So for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you the easiest one. Okay, so to do that, open up the game. Now go ahead and click on New Game right here. Select the map, of course. For example, we're going to play Aztec. And then once that's done, go ahead and click on Game right here. Give it a host name, of course. For example, Aztec for friends. Okay, max players be 10 or 9, including you. Server password, if you want to, you could go ahead and add in 1. If not, just leave it. Okay, time per map, win limit, you name it. Starting money as well. Okay, and once that's set up, you can now go ahead and click on Start. Just wait for it to load. Let's just auto assign right here. Auto select. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is just go ahead and open up the menu. Okay, now once you're in here, go ahead and click on Find Servers. Now go ahead and go to your favorites. Add in your current server. Okay, and here you have your server. So if you want to share this, okay, when you double click on it, you'll have the server IP right here. Okay, you can just go ahead and give this one to your friends, or your friends can go ahead and go to Friends tab right here, refresh it, and your server will be available right here. Also, when you go ahead and open up your console, I can't open it because I'm just using a 61 keys keyboard. Okay, I haven't set it up yet. So open up your console and just type down status, and you'll be able to see your IP as well, or the server's IP. Well, just go ahead and give it to your friends, and then what your friends going to do is just go ahead and enter that same IP in their console as well, and they'll be connected. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you create a Counter-Strike 1.6 server. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.